to a new episode of Bending with Bending. I'm Devin, and today we have a 1997 Kenworth W900. What are you doing in 1997?
Goodbye, England's rose. May you ever grow.
Alright, so if you look down here, our pins are a little off. Let's go to the back. If you look right here, you can see that very front pin up there is off about 2.5 inches. Actually off right here, as you can see. Right here in the very front. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a dead leg right here, this side. The front needs to go that way about 2.5 inches. Pretty common stuff here. This channel for any length of time, you know that we're going to make some pretty snide jokes and be on the edge of getting canceled. Also, I have a lot more viewers and views than subscribers. So if you could hit the subscribe button, I know you guys know that already, but yeah, go ahead and smash it. If you don't smash the subscribe button, I'll never make another video again. Nah, probably not. I'll make plenty of videos. That's the old hammer. There we go. They tell me on my analytics I need to ask questions and get people to comment. So here's one. Hit the comment section right now. Tell me how far past I need to go before it actually gets to a point to where it's going to be straight. We'll measure it as we go. Hit the comment section now, so that way I have an idea of where the timing is, so that way I know if you're lying or not. Snug that down a little bit. Alright, so I'll have to move these gauges for a minute, I guess. They're hard to come by. Actually, they're not. They are hard to order, though. You can't just order one. And they're expensive. Surprisingly. Oh, that's what she said. Maybe. Where'd it go? This thing noise probably better than the last video for sure. Again. I like it a lot. Perfect! Just like that. Well, you know you got it in the right spot, but you can just come over here. That in. Okay, let's throw this in here. Why are we putting it in this far? Because, well, we don't want the whole truck to flex. If I put it too far back, I'll have too much movement in the middle of the frame, and I don't want that. So, stay in front of the tandems. I want it to move more toward the front, closer to the bend. That's why I'm so short up there, and I move this far because I don't want this part of the frame to flex and bow out. Here we go. Grab us this piece right here. Always remember to have your knee pads. Talking to your boss or anybody. Alright, here we go. Go. This is taking a long time. Let's hit it with that high speed. Alright, so I had to fix this that way I could get it up out of the way. I don't want to hurt our equipment, you know what I mean? Gotta try to keep everything up and away here. Like it was made to go there. Alright. Let's come around this way. Woo! Alright. One of the things you want to notice is that we're up about as high as we can go. We need to get these legs up as high as possible here, okay? That's the goal. Why do we have to get them up as high as possible? Because we need as little flex as possible. Not only the machine, but also the legs of the machine. This is one of the best things about this machine is that I can go up underneath stuff and get right up next to the frame, okay? Greatest thing ever. Pin. All right, the main thing is you don't want to put that 1-inch bar right on the rail. You gotta have something to distribute your weight out a little bit more. Like this right here. Squish it down, baby. Let's go. Let's go to the other side, shall we? All right, so all this stuff goes down pretty easy. Put this down here to push off of. Okay. Goes there. This goes here. And remember, we wipe it off before we put it in. Words to live by. You know, this YouTube thing ever pans out, I might be able to get my own shop pretty soon. That'd be kind of cool. Because I do not like making money for other people that I could be making myself. Of course, there's insurance and all that stuff, you know what I mean? But hey, sometimes you gotta sacrifice for the greater good of tomorrow. Or whatever Gandhi said. There we go. I swear it takes me longer to find the pins than anything else. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh man. I'll move that back real quick. Hey look, I get that everybody's mom doesn't like my jokes, but you know what? I've been on the internet long enough to not really care anymore. Please understand these are all just jokes. I don't actually know, but about maybe 10, 15 of you guys. Where's Bob? There's Bob. There's the button. So let's talk about the side sway right here. If you look very closely, you can see that front pin is out approximately 3 inches. And that's a lot. If you don't believe me, ask my old lady. Turn that. I'll have to do it that way. She moves kind of slow. I'll see if I can't speed her up. Nice. As we continue, we'll go ahead and push her on out here the other direction. Nice. What do you think? Go a little further? Yeah. These three are now in line. Everybody sit around when they're thinking about doing something that's kind of complicated in their job and hear voices from their mentors from the past speaking into their brain, or is it just me? Maybe I'm just psychotic, I guess. All right, let's go again. So this is where we're at right now. We're not past yet, but we're pretty darn close. We're gonna go a little bit more. Oh, drop the gauge. A little bit of juicy on that thing, boy. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's let off. Greasy. Golly, dude. Oh, man. Broke my gauge, man. And now that I have it just a pin pass, and I also realized that on top of that, well, you can't really see it. I had to switch cameras here, but we'll go down here. Get a little closer. You can see that center pin. We're pin past to the inside. But I just realized I wasn't filming in 19.5. I was filming vertical at 9.5, so this video is probably going to look kind of funny. Maybe really, really close the whole time. So we'll work on it. Just carry it how it goes, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not refilming this because, well, I got one shot at this, you know what I mean? A lot of people wonder why I don't post a lot of videos. It takes a lot of time for me to post a lot of videos, okay? Part of the algorithm with this platform, If I could post actively one long form video a month, it would do a lot better. But I can't because, one, it takes so long to edit some of this stuff, and I'm just one guy. Now that I've got her all straightened out and one pin past where we need to be, we'll take everything off, take this thing down the road, see what she'll do, bounce her around a little bit, bring her back, and gauge it out again. Maybe my other camera will be up enough to get it done. So after driving her a bit, we just took her out, took her for a spin, drove her around the block, did some little driving, you know what I mean? Brought her back. Here's what we got. This is what's commonly referred to in the trades. It's right on the mother titties. Let's look under her skirt here a little bit and check out this bottom. Under the skirt, look at that. Beautiful. Thank everybody that's been watching all my content and everything. If you watch this far in the video, thank you. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. You know the whole 9 yards and everything. Thanks everyone who's been interacting and buying my merch and everything and giving me merch ideas and all that. I've got some cool t-shirts over there and hats and things, so check it out. Bob the Pointer Fingers if you want to purchase one of those. Autograph too, if you want that. I mean, hit me up with Thomas Bendon on Facebook, Bendon with Bendon verified page on Facebook. It's a comedian page. Or Iron to Diesel 247, Bendon with Bendon on TikTok. Hit me over there too. YouTube's gonna pop up a video. I'll try and post another video. Check out some of my other videos if you like this video. I kind of laid off the comedy there at the end. I was getting real frustrated, so thank you for watching. Anytime you mess with a beat up Mac, you kind of get into a funk, you know what I mean? Words of Theo Vaughn, this thing will make you want to punch a fat kid at Kmart. But she's done on my end, and she can get the out of here. Remember, keep twisting, keep straightening. Keep doing whatever it is that you do, and have a good day.